How to add the second and more cameras.
Hello everyone, welcome to our tech support tips. Today we'll answer a common question about multi-camera connection.
Hi Rocky, I just installed my first camera, but I'm not sure how to add the second one into the system.
Don't worry, it's actually quite simple. You just need to click the back button on the top left corner to return the device list first.
Oh, back to the device list. And then?
Then please look at the top right corner of the screen. There is a plus sign button. Clicking it will start the process of editing a new.
Is adding the second camera the same as adding this first one?
Yeah, exactly the same process. Just make sure the camera is powered on and reset, and that your phone and the camera are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then the network configuration will succeed.
So, it's that simple. So, how many cameras can I add at most?
Theoretically, there is no limit. You can add an unlimited number.
Great, so I can view multiple camera feeds at the same time?
Of course, in the full screen view, you can select the 4-screen mode to monitor 4 cameras simultaneously. You can also group cameras from different areas, which makes it quicker and more convenient to view more cameras.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
We hope this is helpful. Remember to follow us for more tips and updates. See you next time.